Hello. Now we're gonna uh, try to attempt the super serial problem in PicoCTF. So let's open this. But there is a hint. The flag is at dot dot slash flag. Okay, we'll get to that. We are introduced with the login page. Let's try a random one. Obviously, it won't work since it's not printing any SQL error. We cannot do SQL injection quite easily. What we have here is index.php. If we see the source code or like this, okay, there is a cookie.php file and okay, and there's a user database. Let's try going to the cookie.php. Let's see the source. Okay, so what's happening here is the perm is unserialized. This is the placeholder. Somehow we need to get this error to throw so we can get whatever is in here in this place, in this placeholder. So now what we're gonna do is go back to index and we find there's authentication.php which I will let's open. There. Okay, so we were welcomed as the guest. We logged in directly. Now we have to manipulate the cookie so that let's open the source code of this. Do this first. Okay, so here the cookie is being logged in this class access log, so we have to access the log file and get the cookie, and this is where we get the content and file content and get to read the log. So the exploit will include the logging the cookie in base64, since here it says base64 decode. Let's go back to verb suite. We use the decoder and let's use this. So we write the command O for object, and access log is 10 words, so we write 10 dot access log 1, since the object has one property. This, open a bracket, string. This is the log file is 8 words, so we write 8 log underscore file. Close this, and string 7, because the log before we got the hint that the cookie is stored here, flag. This is 7 words, that's why we write that 7. Include this inside, close this, and then we're gonna encode it as base64. Okay, we got the cookie. We go back to authentication.php. Let's use our verb, intercept on, we reload. So we have here is the cookie. Let's change it to login, and this to the cookie we decoded. Let's forward this packet. Okay, and done. We got the deserialization error, which threw out the $perm placeholder, and this contained the token. We're gonna paste it, and we're done. Thank you for watching.